lovelies! Good morning! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Trisha. I make cleaning, organizing, and minimalist lifestyle videos. If you like these kinds of stuff, please consider subscribing to my channel. You can also follow me on my Instagram and my Facebook pages. Their links are in the description box below. Today, I'm decluttering our junk drawer. We only have one junk drawer inside our house and I intend to keep it that way. Although we have many other drawers inside the house, each of them has their own category. A junk drawer is that drawer inside the house where we keep all sorts of miscellaneous stuff or items which we can't seem to categorize. As for this house, like I've said, we have many different drawers and I try my best to categorize them. Like for example, we have drawers inside our bedroom where we keep all of our vanity items, and we also have a couple of drawers in our kitchen where we keep all of our kitchen items, of course. Now, I have this one drawer in our living area where I initially intended to put all of my craft items like school supplies, scissors. Now it's filled with all sorts of items like our handyman tools, stationery items, different packages, and all other small items. That's why I'm most certain that this is my junk drawer. If you also have a junk drawer inside your house, then please join me today. Let's both go through this mess together. Now, as you can see, this is our TV stand and this is where my junk drawer is. Let's open it. This is how it looks like right now. As you can see, it is full to the brim. I think most of the items in here are all literal junk already, so I know I'll be throwing away many items today. I got this large paper bag which I folded first before stuffing it in the drawer, you know, just to give effort. I also stuffed in here these lyrics cords because I play the guitar as a hobby. However, it's been a while since I've used my guitar. These are Chinese newspapers which Dennis and I used to get from the Asian store every time we shop there, not to read them, but to use them as placemats every time we eat dinner by our bed. So, these are just some of the many strange things that we keep in this drawer. As per usual, to begin the decluttering and organizing process, let's empty this drawer first. Now I'm vacuuming the drawer and I'm going to wipe it with a multi-purpose spray and a microfiber cloth. Now that the drawer is clean and ready, it's time to identify what items I've been stuffing in this drawer ever since and categorize each of the items, and most importantly, throw away any rubbish that we have been keeping for a long time. So all of the rubbish are in this bag. I know that it's not very obvious right now, but I've already categorized everything. These are all the cable wires which we occasionally use whenever we have to repair something inside our house. And I also have these other miscellaneous stuff which I probably need to categorize more. I'm yet to ask Dennis about these batteries, which of them he wanted to keep. So this is how our junk drawer looks right now. This is an old organizer. So these are all my items, all craft items. In this side are our handyman tools, and basically this is everything that we are now keeping in our junk drawer. So I know the junk drawer is not the best looking. I did not organize it that well because I didn't want to buy any more organizers, especially since I already have a couple of organizers which I was able to use. But the goal for today is to finally get rid of all the other items which we're not going to use anymore. And compared to its previous situation, what happened here is already a great improvement. It's not full to the brim anymore and I was able to throw away stuff, actually almost everything inside the junk drawer, and we finally have a purpose for this junk drawer. It's not just a junk drawer anymore. It's where we're keeping all of our handyman items and craft items. Anyway, that is it for this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this short video. If you like to see more decluttering, organization videos, cleaning videos, I made a playlist for them. Don't forget to give this a thumbs up. It will definitely help my channel. And also, please leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this video. And if you have other video requests, please let me know down below. I love reading all of your comments. Thank you so much for all of your support. I love you guys and see you on the next one. Bye!